G'day, I'm Paul. That's my cannon. It's Monday the 27th of March. We're finally going to get a winch mounted on the front. Follow along. See what Mikey's up to. He doesn't want to be on YouTube, so we'll have to walk quietly past him. Woohoo! Oh, wonderful. It's Tuesday morning. Let's call into Kepplers and see what they've done.
Says that it must be an Australian thing.
10 o'clock Wednesday morning. Let's go and do a check-in. Wow, exciting! Wednesday afternoon. Hello! That's got a lot of lights. Oh. Go on. Wow! Wow, she is a wildly different looking truck now. That looks very cool. Very, very, very cool. Here's the access to my winch. Very cool. Gonna go and take it for a test drive, see how it rides with a bit more weight on the front. Well, my first notice is you can't actually see the bars sticking up over the bonnet like you can with the alley arc bars. So that's interesting. They are there. Speed bumps. Seems to ride the same. No significant change in the front. There's a couple of gnarly speed bumps around the corner that I'll have a go at. Pedestrian crossing. Well, actually rattles less in the front. Makes sense. This thing's seriously bolted on. Previous bull bars were just held on with 4 bolts. This thing's part of the truck. Alright. Cool, man. That's amazing. Like, there has been so many months of negotiation, phone calls, saving. It's so cool. Oh, I want to go out and winch myself somewhere now. Look at that approach on those tyres, like far out. That is cool. Very cool. Front camera seems to be going alright. That's the very top of my number plate holder. It's now Saturday morning. I'm super happy, man. Like, that is so cool. If you're in New Zealand, you're probably going to have lots of questions for me about where I bought it, how much it cost, and the dramas that I went through. I did go through a few dramas getting it here. It's not easy shipping something like that from Australia to New Zealand, but we got it here. She's not suited yet. That's going to happen in about 3 or 4 weeks. I'll give you an update once we get to cert time. Quick penny update. She's definitely a big girl now. She might go bush this weekend, maybe. Hey, Penny. I've just poured beer out on the driveway, so she's loving it. I'm Paul, and that is my Cannon with a winch bar on the front.